What's up, you guys? What's up? Hey, how you doing? What's up, you guys? How you doing? I love you. It's SkinnyBoyRandy here. What's up? How you doing today? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. It's a beautiful day that the Lord has made. Thank you, Lord, for a beautiful day. And I thank God for you. Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere in the gardening universe. And it's a big universe out there, you guys, especially on YouTube. But you choose to spend a little time with your Skinny Boy Randy. And I greatly appreciate you for it. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love having you guys here. If you're new, click like and subscribe, you guys. Yeah, go ahead. Click that subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the two middle fingers. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, beginners and experts are welcome. That's the name of the Facebook group. Head on over there, you guys. If I can't answer a question here, I guarantee you'll get an answer over there, okay? Because I'm not a professional. I ain't never went to professional school, okay? I love you guys. You're the best. We're just beginners. We do experiments. We try things. Sometimes we win. Sometimes we lose. Sometimes we fall, sometimes we rise, but it's all good, okay? It's all in the name of gardening. Thank you, Lord, for the name of gardening. How you doing today? I hope you're blessed and well. What's going on, you guys? Today, I woke up and came outside, and some things that changed. Just like that overnight here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia, it got down to 30-something, you guys. Wow. First frost type weather, right? Farmer's Almanac is on point, you guys. Check them out. They call for it right around this time, and it happened like last night. It didn't get really bad, but it got bad enough to wither one of my pepper plants, okay? So it's about that time. I mean, they gave me so much food all year long, and I'm so appreciative of that. So I'm just going to make this video short and sweet on how to overwinterize your pepper plants, okay? Okay, so we ain't got no money to keep buying no peppers. And then next year when springtime comes, we won't have to worry about planting the seed. Well, we're still going to plant some seeds, but we'll already have some peppers, and we'll be ahead of the game, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. So let's just dive right into this video. So as you can see, I have plenty of peppers. Let me get you right on in here with me. You know how I like to do it. It's not about me. It's about the garden. As you can see, plenty of peppers still coming. And these are some bell peppers. But look at the leaves, you guys. These leaves were like this yesterday. You know, kind of flat and, you know, normal looking. But now they kind of look, you know, cold and wilted. They look like, we're cold. It got cold last night. Shoot. When you shrivel up, when you get cold, I know that's right. But look, these still have peppers. So I'm not going to trim this one just yet. But all of these, look, they've curled in. Oh, can you see? I'm talking like y'all standing right here with me. I'm sorry, you guys. I love you. You're the best. But look, see how the leaves have curled in? Yeah, you guys. So we're in November here in Zone 7. So this one still has a little ways to go before I actually go ahead and whack her down and save her for next year. But yeah, you see the leaves here? Now over here, here's some of my bells. This baby girl really showed off as the weather changed. You see that? That looks like a banana tree. Can y'all see that? Right here. Look at all these peppers. And they are so delicious, you guys. Yes, I ate 2 earlier with some food I was eating, and it was delicious. But look at some of the leaves starting to wither. See that? Compared to the normal. Yeah, it's about that time. It's getting cold. And we want to preserve these. We're not going to let these plants go to waste, because when they produce like this and they're a good breed like this, we want to save these. We want to save these babies. So I'm going to show you how to save the ones in the raised bed when it's about time for them. But let me show you the one that I woke up to on the deck. Now this one, she's had her day. But no, she hasn't. We're gonna save this baby, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, you guys, this is just gonna be a quick tutorial on saving your pepper plants. It's very windy out here, you guys. We had a terrible windstorm and it blew things all over the yard and everything. So, can you guys see me? What we're gonna do, we're gonna save this baby. And also, look, down in here, I have carrots. Yes, you guys have carrots. So while we're saving this baby, these carrots are going to be growing inside here. And I don't even have to remove this from the bucket. Now the ones in the soil, in the raised bed, I'm going to take out and put in smaller containers. But the ones that I have already in containers, she's going to stay right in this baby, because when it gets cold, or if it snows, she can go right in the garage and chill out. And I can open up the door and she can get some sun. Okay, okay. So what we're going to start off by doing is examining it. You see, it's had her time. There's no peppers on here. If there were, you would just pick off all the peppers that were left on the plant. And I hope, I think I see a glare. Is there a glare, you guys? Yeah. I think there was a glare. Let's see about that. Still a little glare, huh? Am I seeing things? I'm sorry, you guys. I just want to make sure you guys can see me. Okay. There may be a glare. If there is, you guys, I apologize. But it looks like a glare to me. And I don't like it. So we're going to move. Let me do this. I'm going to change the camera view this way. Okay? And just show you guys how I trim this. Can y'all see that? I don't like that, y'all. Here we go. Instant reaction. You know I don't do any cutting or editing. I could have started over and just said, hey, let me start over. But you know I don't do that. I show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. If there was a glare, there was a glare. Okay, we don't want no glare in our videos. I want the best video I can give y'all. Okay, okay, because you are the best. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. So what I'm going to do is take my shears and start at the top. Go ahead by trimming these off. The ones, the leaves. Just go ahead and trim those off. Trim the leaves off like that. Now some people say, well, you can just go straight down to the bottom. Treat your plants with care, you guys, and love and respect. Even if they only gave you one fruit, you know, treat them with love, care, and respect. You know, if you were a bear going in hibernation, you wouldn't want nobody to just throw you in the hole. You know, you tell them, can you open the door for me, please? I love you guys, you're the best. But yeah, I'm just taking off all the leaves. Just like that. Not that hard, you guys. Take off all the leaves. And I know we just gave her a bad haircut, right? And I'm going to tell you, carrots do great in containers with peppers. I did it before, didn't know they had fallen in there. They came out wonderfully. And as you can see, let me show you these carrots again. These babies are doing great, you guys. Fall gardening, yes. They are doing wonderful. So, back to our haircut. And just trim all the leaves off like that. And what you're going to be left with is a plant that looks like this. And the reason we're taking all the leaves off, so she doesn't have to use all that energy that the sun is giving those leaves, you know, sucking all that energy from her roots. She can now preserve that to overwinterize herself, because she only needs to be, you know, dormant for about 3 months maybe. Sometimes we get a hard winter here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Sometimes you can't even tell winter came, you know. So we never know, but we're going to be on the safe side. We're going to trim her down just like that. Now all these stems look fairly good. So I'm not going to trim her all the way down. I'm going to take that piece off, because this is a part of the mother stem, that big one right there. And then you have the 2 Ys. So I'm going to leave a little bit so she can still get some photosynthesis from the sun and suck up some energy to store for the winter. And that's all it takes, you guys, to overwinterize your peppers. Now when it starts snowing and stuff, I can easily take this bucket and take it right into the house. Into the shed where there's a greenhouse inside. We're going to be talking about that coming up very soon. Okay, you guys, I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Go stuff and eat it. Click like and subscribe. You're the best. Hi.